Good morning, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people. Today is August 8th, 2024. Today is truly August 8th. Earlier, I did a video. I said it was August 8th. It was still August 7th. But now it is August 8th, and I have more information. This is unbelievable information. I can't believe we had overlooked this important detail of what we are going to be taking a look at here at the end of this video. I'm going to go over a couple things with you that I've already shared, because the biblical understanding is the basis for everything that we are looking for. And so I want to go over this information with you. And at the end of this, we're going to see a movie that came out about the Russian war that took place on August 8th, 2008, which is 888, just as August 8th, 2024 is also 888, as 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. So August 8th, 2024 is 888. On February 2nd, 2018, the Dow closed at 666 points down. A 666 point drop. February 2nd, 2018. From February 2nd, 2018, adding 6 years, 6 months, and 6 days, just like a 666 point drop, brings us to Thursday, August 8th, 2024. In 1945, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 79-year anniversary to the atomic bombs of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And the bomb in Nagasaki was at 11 a.m. in the morning in Japan. 11 a.m. in the morning on August 9th. That means in the United States, that means when the order was given from Washington, D.C., it was August 8th. The 79-year anniversary of Nagasaki. 79 in the Strong's Concordance means to wrestle, just as Jacob wrestled with the angel. But the meaning of abak, 79, to wrestle, means probably to float away as a vapor, but used only from abak, to be dust, or grapple, wrestle, to be dust. So the idea of wrestling becoming floating away as a vapor is that through the wrestling you become like dust, to be dust. The 79-year anniversary of Nagasaki. Jacob's wrestle. Is this indicative of Jacob's trouble? In my earlier video, I shared this information, but I want to share it once again very quickly with everyone in this format, because this is very important information that goes together with everything that we are watching. The 70-year anniversary of Israel. 70 weeks are determined from the order to restore Jerusalem. And on the 70th anniversary of Israel, on May 14th, 2018, the very next day, on May 15th, 2018, they began planning the global pandemic, Clade X simulation of a global pandemic, May 15th, 2018. Then coronavirus was declared a global pandemic on March 11th, 2020. 666 days after the planning of the global pandemic became a reality, March 11th, 2020. Revelation 13:18. Here is wisdom. Let him who has understanding calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man. His number is 666. COVID became a global pandemic on March 11th, 2020. The WHO declared an end to COVID-19 as a global pandemic on May 5th, 2023. This was 1150 days. Daniel 8:13 and 14. Then I heard a holy one speaking, and another holy one said to the one who was speaking, how much time will be required to complete the vision regarding the regular sacrifice, the transgression that brings horror, and the trampling underfoot of both the sanctuary and the host of the people? He said to me, for 2,300 evenings and mornings, then the sanctuary will be cleansed and properly restored. 2,300 evenings and mornings is the length of the time for the transgression and the trampling of the sanctuary. After the 2,300 evenings and mornings, then the sanctuary will be cleansed and properly restored. 2,300 evenings and mornings is 1,150 days. COVID lasted exactly 2,300 evenings and mornings. Then, from the first vaccination in the United States, the middle day between both American eclipses and another American eclipse over South America on December 14th, 2020, and the first vaccine given in the United States. From December 14th, 2020 to August 9th, 2024 is 1,335 days. Daniel 9:27. Then he shall confirm a covenant with many for 1 week. But in the middle of the week he shall bring an end to sacrifice and offering. And on the wing of the abominations shall be one who makes desolate, even until the consummation which is determined is poured out on the desolate. So they confirm a covenant with many for 1 week at the end of the 70 years. So exactly on the 70th anniversary of Israel, they planned COVID through the Clade X simulation. Then it says in the middle of the week, they shall bring an end to sacrifice and offering, and they will set up the abomination. And so December 14th, 2020 was middle of Hanukkah, the middle of the week, plus as a confirmation, it was also the middle, the exact middle of the two great American eclipses. A huge X marking on December 14th, 2020. Then Daniel 12:11 and 12 goes on to say that from the time that the daily sacrifice is taken away and the abomination of desolation is set up, there shall be 1,290 days. Blessed is he who waits and comes to the 1,335 days. And this is a huge piece of information that I had not seen as we're trying to connect August 9th with everything else that we're watching. August 9th is 9/11 on the Hebrew civil calendar. Av is the 11th month of the civil year and the 5th month of the ecclesiastical year. August 9 is written 9/11. It is also the 5th day of the Jewish month of Av. August 9th is the 5th day of the Jewish month of Av, and that is also written 11/5. August 5 was written 11/5 when using Jewish month Gentile day And August 5, the Time magazine cover said panic. August 5 of 2024, panic. And now we're into the month of August, which is also the month of Av. Av on the Hebrew calendar is the 11th month. And August 9th is the 9th day of the 11th month. And so August 9th is also 9/11. So we want to talk more about this movie that came out, this Russian propaganda movie about a war that took place in 2008. August 8th, the release date of this movie was February 22nd of 2012. That's 222. Okay. August 9th, in a leap year, is the 222nd day of the year. And August 9 is written 9 Av, 9/11 for those too lazy to define the meaning of the month of Av. Av means 5 and Av means 11. Outtatime. August 8th, 88. Outtatime.